Holiday. Okay, so let's see who else is in the class. So guys, raise your hand if you want to say hi to me. So, okay, lots of people. Alright, let's see, Junjun. Hello, Junjun.
Hi.
Hi, how are you today, Junjun?
Very good.
Good. Do you have paper and pen ready as well? Oh, excellent. I can already see that. Very good, Junjun. Thank you very much. Okay, so yes, it's because Christmas holiday and New Year's Eve. Today will be the last lesson for this year. Okay, so and let's see. Let's also see Rui Kong.
Hi.
Hello, Rui Kong. How are you today?
Good. I'm on holidays.
Yes, you like holidays as well. But are you ready for today's lesson?
Yeah.
Yep, very, very good. Okay. So guys, remember, no spamming. Okay. No spamming, Ethan. Okay. All right. So guys, who will be ready for the lesson now? So you can see the excellent homework list. Well done, everybody. If you can see your name on the list, very good job. All right, so let's get started, guys. So today, we're going to continue from our fun maths, part 2. All right, so now today we are going to play a different kinds of game, different from last lesson, a game of filling the squares with numbers, okay? Now, this game is also called the transform to Sudoku. So let's start with the rules of the game. So rules of the game. First of all, this 3x3 square has the numbers 1, 2, 3 in each row and column. And also, the numbers cannot be repeated. All right. And the numbers in each region is enclosed by the thick lines add up to the number in the top left corner of the region. So you can see, guys, if you look very carefully, you can see that there's some thick lines like this, and another thick lines like this, and another thick line like this, and this. Well, maybe use a different color. So like this, and like this. So if you look very carefully, there are certain thick lines like a boundary around these squares. And you guys should also see a number on the little number on the top left corner. Okay? You see these numbers? Now, these numbers are the sum. So these numbers are telling you, okay, so in adding all the numbers inside the box, you need to make, for example, a 5. So let me show you this. Let's put this away for a second. So now, as you can see, we can see that there's a thick black line around this box. And then we have number 5. Okay? And this 5 means you need to write down 2 numbers that you can make number 5 by using numbers from 1 to 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So obviously 3 plus 2 equals to 5. Okay, so what about this rectangle then? You can see a thick line along this rectangle, and you can see number 3, right? So now, what number do you think we need to have here to make 3? You already have 1, so let me know in the chat box, guys. That's good. Yes, very good. Very good. We need 2 because 2 plus 1 equals to 3. Very good, guys. So now, I'll write down number 2 for you. Now, what about the rectangle over here? This is the boundary, and you have number 3 already. Now, what number should I have here to get 5 when we add these 2 numbers? Let me know in the chat box. Exactly, 2 again. Very good, guys. So 3 plus 2 equals to 5. What about number over here? Very good. 1. No, it's 1 because 1 plus 3 equals to 4, guys. Does that make sense? So you need to also look very carefully what the number is, the little number at the top left corner. Everybody understand? Yes, okay. And then, what about number over here? There's only one little box around it. And you can only see number 1 there. So what number do you think we need to have? Yes, that's it, 1. Because inside the box, we need to have everything add up to 1. And since there's only one number, obviously the number is 1. That's how you do this question. So does everybody understand the rule of this game? Okay, very good, very good. All right, so let's move on. So like I said, you need to look carefully at the number 5 at the top left corner. And so 3 plus 2 equals 5. All right, so guys, I want you guys to copy this picture first. So make sure you draw it properly. If you have a ruler, it'll be the best situation scenario. But now, before we move on to actual rules of transform Sudoku, let's practice some, analyzing skills. So guys, each row and column contains 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so that means, guys, you need to make sure that you have a number. So 1, 2, 3 for each row. You should not repeat, okay? And for each column as well. Okay, so basically, guys, you cannot have 1 because you already have 1 on the first row. Okay, so you cannot have 1. Okay, you cannot have 2 because you already have number 2 on this row. And also, guys, you also have number 2 on the same column. So you need to make sure each rows and columns have numbers 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so I'll give you guys some time to figure this out. And when you're ready, raise your hand and show me your picture. Okay, so let's have a look at Jinxie. So Jinxie, can you show me a picture? So let's see. So 1, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3. Okay, so yes, very good, Jinxie. Thank you very much.
I learned before.
Yes, I can tell, Jinxie. Excellent job. So guys, let me explain to you why this is the correct answer. Because, now guys, let's slow down for a second. If you look at this row, you have 1, 2, 3, nothing's repeating. And let's have a look. The next row, you have 1, 2, 3, nothing's repeating as well. What about this row? 1, 2, 3 as well, nothing's repeating. Now, let's check every column. 1, 2, 3, yes, nothing's repeating. And 1, 2, 3, nothing's repeating. And 1, 2, 3, nothing's repeating as well. So you can see that this is the correct answer. So then raise your hand if you want me to show me your picture, Ricky. So let's have a look, Ricky.
Sorry, I was late.
Oh, that's okay, Ricky. But do you understand what you need to do?
Yeah, I did this before. I
Yeah.
never had Chelsea before. She's my sister, and I did everything. I did the same thing.
Oh, very good, Ricky. Excellent job. But today we're going to learn transformed Sudoku, so a little bit different. So pay attention, Ricky. But thank you very much for letting me know. Keep up the good work. All right, so now let's have a look at Keaton's work. Hello, Keaton.
Hold on. Oh, just wait. I was at the back.
So let's have a look, Keaton. So 1, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Wow, that's a very nice square. Did you use a ruler? Very good, Keaton.
No, I used something that is kind of straight.
I use something that is kind of straight.
Straight, yes, good idea. Very good, Keaton. That was very fabulous. Thank you very much, Keaton, and keep up the good work. Okay, so guys, there are many different questions, so don't worry, there's more pictures that you can show to me. Let's move on and do more questions, okay? So, now here comes the real question, guys, the real problem. Now, you know the transform Sudoku, guys, so you have numbers 1, 2, 3 to use. And make sure to look very carefully which ones are the thick lines, and also look where's the small number is. So obviously if it's 5, then 3 plus 2 equals 5. So you write 3 and 2 here. Now you cannot write any other numbers such like 0 or 4 or 5. You can only use 1, 2, and 3. So you guys can start this question. And if you guys are having problems trying to draw me the thick line, just circle them for me. Just circle them to show what is the thick lines. Just circle them like this for me if it's too difficult to draw a thick line, guys. Okay, so everybody write the answer for this one. Okay, so let's have a look at Charlie Yang. So hello, Charlie. Hello, Charlie, can you hear me? Try to mute and unmute yourself, Charlie. I think your microphone settings is not working properly. Or if it's, okay, if it's still not working, can you exit and re-enter this class, Charlie? Yes. Can you exit this lesson and rejoin this class, Charlie? You can come back and let's see. Sometimes it works when you, exit and re-enter. Okay, Charlie. So, yep, that's it. So let's wait for Charlie, guys. Let's have a look. Hello, Charlie. Can you hear me? Okay. So I think your microphone setting is not working. But Charlie, if you have finished this question, can you show me using your camera? Can you show me a picture if you have done this question? Or is anything wrong, Charlie? I've opened the chat box for you. You can type your message in. What's the situation? Are you still trying to make your microphone working, or? Okay, you can. Yep, Betsy will help you after the class, Charlie. Don't worry. So for the time being, let's have Aaron. Hello, Aaron.
Hi.
Hi. Did you do this question?
Yeah.
So can you show me a picture? Let's have a look at it. Oh wow, you even colored the thick lines. Yes, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3. Excellent job, Aaron. Wow, fantastic. That's the correct answer. Thank you very much, Aaron. So guys, to show you the answer first, now obviously you can see that this thick box, we need to make 3. So 1 plus 2 would be the correct answer. Now what about this box? Remember, you need to make 4. So 3 plus 1. And for this one, you need to make 5. So 3 plus 2 and then 1. All right, so let's have a look at other people's work. So let's see. So raise your hand, guys. So let's have Junjun. Let's have a look, Junjun. Oh yes, you circled them for me. Very good. Thank you very much. That looks perfect to me, Junjun. Excellent job. Well done. So yes, and let's have a look at Ethan's work as well. Ethan Yuan. So yes, you circled them as well. Fantastic. Yes. So yes, instead of 2, that's 1. Yes, that's exactly right, Ethan. Well done. Thank you very much, Ethan. That looks great. All right, let's have a look at Iris. So let's have a look at Iris. Yes, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3. Yes, the numbers are correct, Iris, but make sure, don't forget to write the small numbers, Iris, like 5 over here, and 3, and 5, and 1, and 4. Okay, Iris? And also, because you see the thick lines, maybe just give me a nice circle around them to show me what numbers are paired up. Okay?
Okay.
Otherwise, the answer is good. Very good. All right. Oops. Yes, let's have a look, Ian. So which one? Oh, yes, that one. Yes, that's it. Very good, Ian. Again, don't forget to write down the small numbers as well, Ian, and in the corners, okay? Otherwise, it looks good. Oh, you did write it down. Sorry, I didn't see it. Very good, Ian. Very good. Excellent job. Okay, so guys, there are many more questions. Don't worry if I didn't call your name out. Let's keep going. Now, this is your turn to do this question now, guys. So, first of all, I want you guys to tell me what the number should be over here. Okay? So, I want you guys to have a guess what numbers you can have over here. And use the selector tool. So read the question carefully, guys. Okay. So let me give you a hint, guys. So for this question, guys, so not only you need to make sure the sum is, the number of the two sums are 3 and 4 and 5 and etc. You also need to make sure that the numbers are not repeating, guys. So you need to make sure that you don't write 2 here because you already have 2 on the same row and also the same column. Okay, so for that reason, let's have a look at so Forrest. Hello, Forrest. Hi, do you know how to do this question? Or do you need my help?
No.
So, okay, Forrest. So, alright. So, Forrest, do you see these little numbers on the top left corner?
Yeah.
Now, that number means the two numbers you have inside these squares should add up to 5. So, for example, let's have a look at number 3 over here. So, you can see 2 plus 1 equals to 3, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So, what number do you think I should write here, Forrest?
3.
Very good. Excellent job. So, because 3 plus 2 equals
Underneath
to
2
5.
is 1. Underneath 2 is 1.
So, and then you mean over here, the little 3 for the green rectangle. So, what number do you think we should have here?
1.
Yes, because 1 plus 2 equals 3. Now, what about here?
3.
Yes, because there's only one square, so you need to make 3, and the only possible way is to have 3. Now, Forrest.
The top one is 1.
And
the top one is 1, and the middle is 3, and on the 4 blue column is what?
yes, that is right. So we need to have 1 and 3 here because remember, Forrest, we want to make sure that each rows and columns does not repeat the number 1, 2, 3 many times. So you can see we only have 1, 2, 3. That's good. We only have 1, 2, 3. That's good. 1, 2, 3. That's good. And 1, 2, 3. That is good. And 1, 2, 3. That's good. And 1, 2, 3 as well. So yes, Forrest. So what do you think the answer is then? Is it A, B, or C?
B.
So you need to find the number for this one.
1, 1, 1, 1, 1.
Which is?
Oh, it's 8.
Yeah, very good. Do you understand how to do this game now?
Yeah.
Very good. Thank you very much, Forrest.
I never did Sudoku.
Yes, that's it, Forrest. Very good. All right. So that's how you do this question, guys. So well done. So now I'll check the pictures a little bit later during the break. All right. Now let's have a look at this question together. So let's do this question together, guys. Now listen very carefully. So each row and column contains the number 1, 2, and 3. So it's the same rule. You need to have 1, 2, 3 only using one time for each rows and columns. Okay. Now, and also the same rule, the small numbers inside the thick boxes. It means that 3 is the sum of the two numbers here. Okay. So what is the number in the blue square? So let's have a look. Let's solve this together, guys. So guys, obviously, do you guys know what the number in this box should be? Let me know. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the chat. 1. Yes, you guys are also very good now. So yes. So 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. And then and obviously, the most easiest one. Let's have a look over here, guys. You can only see a little thick box around this one square. So what do you think the number should be over here? Yes, 2. Very easy. So guys, you can see that you need to look for the easiest, boxes to write the numbers first. You can't write any number here because you can't check whether, the 2 is right or 1 is right or 3 is right. Okay. The next one, you could go and probably solve this one over here. So what is the number missing in this box over here? So let me know. 2, 3, what do you think? 3? Yes, the answer is 3. Well done, guys. Yes, 2 plus 3 is 5. And guys, now if you remember, for each rows and columns, you should only have 1, 2, 3, not repeating itself. So we have already finished this first column, 1, 2, 3. So it looks right to me. So let's have a look at this row. So what number should I have to satisfy the original condition, having 1, 2, 3 numbers? Yes, that's right. 3. Very good. Because we want to have 1 and 2 and 3 for this row. Okay, so now let's have a look at this row. What number are you missing? We have 3 and 2. So what number are we missing, guys? Very good. 1. Yes, that's it, guys. And then, so that means what number are we missing here? So you could either do 1, 2, you see what number is missing. And also, make sure the number is missing can add up to 4 if you add 1. So what's the number in the middle, guys? Yes, that's right, guys. That's it. 3. So what do you think the final number, the blue number is? What number are you missing in this row or column? Or even you can look at what number do you need to have to add 4. So what's the blue number? Yes, that's it, guys. So yes, 1. Fabulous job. Excellent job. So you guys are also very good at this now. So guys, let's move on to this question. Now, I want you guys to copy this picture. So if you don't know how to draw thick lines, just circle them for me, okay? And make sure that, just like the previous question, make sure you check every columns and rows, and make sure you only have 1 and 2 and 3, not repeating, okay? And make sure that number 3 over here means the 2 numbers you have in these squares will add up to 3 as well. Okay, so you guys can, so not only you need to submit your answers for the question mark below, you also need to draw me a picture and show me what the answer is, okay? Okay, so let's have Jeremy. So hello, Jeremy. So hello, Jeremy. I think your microphone is on mute. Can you unmute yourself, Jeremy? Hello, Jeremy. So did you finish this question? Oh, well, let's have a look. So you have used the ruler. Very good. I love those squares. And which one is the correct one? Which one is the one that you want to show me? 3, 1, 2. Yes. Oh, yes, that one. Fantastic. Yes, that's the correct answer. Well done, Jeremy. Yes, excellent job. Now, Jeremy, as you can see, we have some thick lines, so it'll be good if you could also circle them, which are the thick lines, okay? All right. Other than that, it looks perfect to me. Well done, Jeremy. Thank you very much, and keep up the good work. So guys, let's start from the very beginning, guys. So the most easiest one would be 2 over here. There's only one thick box square around here. So number 2. And then obviously, what about the number in the middle? Because 1 plus 3 equals to 4. The middle number is 3. And then what about the number here, guys? 5 means 2 plus 3 is 5. And let's check the last column. So we have 1 and 2 and 3. Nothing's missing and nothing's repeating. Okay, so let's move on, guys. So now let's have a look at this first row. So what are you missing? We have 2 and 3, so we're missing a 1, okay? So 1 is here. If 1 is over here, guys, you need to think, what number do you need to have to make 3? Obviously 2. And check the middle row. We don't have any numbers repeating or missing. So 1, 2, 3. Fabulous job. Okay, so now we need to think what number we should have. But let's look at the middle column, everybody. So we have 2 and 3, so we're missing a number 1. Okay, and if you have number 1 here, the number in this question mark should be number 3. So the correct answer would be C. So well done, everybody. I think most of you did C, but some of you said A or B, but the correct answer was C. Okay, so guys, let's have a short break and let me check your work. Okay, so let's see. Raise your hand if you want to show me your work. So let's have Jeffrey. So let's have a look. So yes, that's the previous question. So again, Jeffrey, the answer is good, very good, fantastic. Can you also make a circle of what are the group numbers and also write down these small numbers in the corner, okay? Sorry, I think your microphone's not working. I cannot hear you. But your answer is correct. I love the squares. The grid is perfect. Well done, Jeffrey. Okay, check your settings and we can check it later, okay? All right, so now let's have a look at Ricky again. So, hey, Ricky.
Hey.
So, yes. So you're back home. So let's have a look, Ricky.
Right. This one.
Yeah, that one. So 3, 1, 2. Yes, again, very good, Ricky. So, yep, that's it. I just want you to make sure to draw circles around the thick lines, okay, like this, and also make sure to write the small numbers on the corner. Okay, Ricky?
Okay.
All right, otherwise very good. And let's have a look at Rui Kong. So let's see Rui Kong.
Wait, I just gotta.
Oh, wow, very good. Yep. Yep.
Like.
Yes, that's perfect. You even underlined the thick lines for me. Very good, Rui Kong. Fantastic. Thank you very much. And let's have a look at Savannah. Hello, Savannah.
Hello.
Hi, let's have a look, Savannah. Oh, wow, those are nice colors. Yes, you even colored the blue square for me. Fantastic. Yes, I can see the first square didn't have thick lines, but from the second, third, and fourth squares, you have thick lines and numbers on the corner. Very good, Savannah. That looks very good, Savannah. Excellent job. Okay, so let's have Alicia. So let's have, yes, you circled in for me. So yeah, yep. Oh, fantastic. Everything's so good, Alicia. Well done. Fantastic job. Keep up the good work, Alicia. Well done. And let's have a look at who else. Lois. Okay, Lois. Let's have a look, Lois. So can you unmute yourself? Yep.
I don't have paper and pen.
I know you did tell me you were at your friend's house, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But do you know how to do these questions, Lois? Is everything making sense to you?
Yeah.
Yep, that's the most important part. So, yep, if you can do this question, and that's fine. There'll be some homework questions, and then you can probably practice after the lesson. Okay? Okay.
The question mark is 3. And the box next to the 2 is 1, and then under it is 2.
Yes, exactly. That's the rules of the game. So fantastic. I can already tell that you can do these questions. Very good, Lois. It's a little bit unfortunate that you don't have paper today. But yes, that's right, Lois. That is the rule of the game. Very good. Okay. So do you want to do more questions, after the break? Do you want to try?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that. All right, so guys, let's quickly move on, guys. So I'll check your answers a little bit later as well. Now, let's have a look at this question, guys. Let's do some harder questions. Now, each row and columns contains the number 1, 2, 3. Same rule, guys. So remember, each rows and rows and columns will have numbers 1, 2, 3. Nothing should be repeating, or nothing should be missing as well. And you know the rules. If you have the corner numbers, that is the sum of each boxes. So guys, you guys could start, and let's do this together as well. So guys, I think the most easiest one to do is this one over here. So guys, let me know in the chat box. So let's start with, let's actually do this with Lois because she doesn't have a paper today. So Lois, let's do this together, shall we?
Yeah.
Okay, Lois, so this is the easiest one. Why?
Because it's only got one box, and
Yeah.
you can just easily use one number to add it up.
So what number should I have here?
3, because they tell us the answer in the corner.
Very good.
3.
So let's move on to number here. What number should I have here, Lois?
1, because nothing should be repeating, and we can't just have 3 again because it's not 6, and there's already a 3.
And also, we want to make 4 as well, right?
Yep.
Very good. Okay, now what number should I have over here?
It's 2, because
Yes.
we already have a 3 and a 1, so we can't have one of those other numbers.
So yep, so you can see in this column we have 1, 2, 3, nothing's repeating, and we want to make sure that 1 plus 2 equals to 3, doesn't it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's have a look at this row, Lois. So what number are we missing? We have 1 and 3.
It's 2.
Yes, very good. Now, if you look at this yellow box, we need to make number 3, and you have 2 already. So what number should we have here?
We should have 1.
Very good.
Because in the second row, there's 2 and 3, so we only
Yes.
need 1.
So everything is working right now. We're even following the rules of rows and columns, and also the numbers in the corner boxes. Very good. Okay, so what number should I have in the middle column? I have 1 and 3, so what number am I missing?
I think 2, because we have 1 and 3.
Yes, so what is the last number then?
3.
Excellent job. So very good, Lois. I think, yes, all the reasoning and also all the numbers and rules were correct, Lois. So you're about to say because the last row, a column, and you're missing a 3, that's why. And also last row, we're missing a 3, that's why. And also the last reason, Lois, we need to make 5 by using 2 and 3, right?
Yeah, and Jason.
Yep.
in the middle column.
Yeah, middle column.
We can't have 3 again because we already have a 3 on top of that green box.
Yes, exactly. So that's a very good point, Lois, because even though 3 and 2 like this makes 5, we cannot have 3 over here because we already have 3 in the middle column. So very good, Lois. Very good observation. So thank you very much, Lois. That was fabulous. Thank you. And keep up the good work. Well done, Lois. Good job. All right. So now, guys, let's have a look at this question. This question, I think it will be the last question for today. Okay. So everybody try to copy this picture down. But now, let me tell you the rules. Instead of 1, 2, and 3, now we need to have 1, 2, and 3, and 4. You have 4 numbers. Okay. The rules are the same. So you need to make number 4 by putting 2 numbers in these squares, okay? And also make sure that 1, 2, 3, 4 are not repeating and not missing, okay, for each columns and 4 rows. Okay, I'm going to give you plenty of time, guys, and so don't worry. Just make sure to also submit the selector tool. Use the selector tool to tell me what number is in the question mark as well. And make sure to get ready to show me the picture as well. This is the hardest question for today. So to give you a hint, look for the easiest boxes. So for example, everybody look over here. So you can see you only have number 1 over here. So this should be number 1, yeah? So look for easy boxes. So look very carefully. Okay, so let's do this together, Charlotte. Hello, Charlotte. Can you turn on your microphone?
Hi.
Hi, Charlotte. So let's look for the easy numbers first. So what number should I have over here?
1.
Very good. What about, oh, there's another single square. What about this one? What number should I have here?
3.
Very good. Let's find another one. Do you see any other one? Oh, over here.
2.
Very good. Can you find another one? Maybe, oh, over here in the middle. There's another one.
3.
Very good. So let's see. Is there any other ones which are easy? I think that's about it. Okay. So now, what number, Charlotte, should I write down over here, Charlotte?
4.
4. Very good. The number should be 4 because you can see that this area, this region, you need to have 2 numbers that adds up to 5. And also, Charlotte, if you look at this column, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 used once each, right? 1 time each. So that's why it's 4. And all right, let's have a look. What about the number over here, Charlotte? What do you think?
Two.
Yes, very good. Because if you look at this boundary, 2 plus 3 equals to 5. And also, Charlotte, if you look at this column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Nothing's repeating, and we don't have anything missing out. Okay, very good. So let's keep going, Charlotte. What about over here?
Two.
Very good, because 2 plus 4 equals to 6. Okay, so Charlotte, let's have a look at this row. What number are you missing, Charlotte?
4.
Yes, very good. Now, if this is 4, Charlotte, what number are we missing?
2.
Very good. And is 2 plus 4 6?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So we've done it. All right. So now let's have a look. What number are we missing along this column? So we have, yes, 1. And fine, almost there. What number are we missing in this first row, Charlotte? We have 1, 2, 4. So we're missing a
3.
So finally, what do you think this final number is going to be, Charlotte?
1.
1. Yes, so that's why it's A. Fantastic. Very good, Charlotte. Thank you very much. That's how you do this question, okay, Charlotte? Now, guys, so yes, A is the correct answer. Now, very important announcement. I want everybody to listen very carefully, guys. So, guys, you need to do your homework and you need to do the test. So you need to do the test because I need to know whether your results are capable. You know, the results you have during the test will be very important, okay? Let me just say for that. So please try your best to do your test at your best ability as well. So if you have any test, questions about the test or homework, just let us know in the class and group chat, okay? Betty will help you out. All right, guys, so thank you very much. Have a wonderful holiday, guys, and I'll see you guys next year. Okay, bye, everybody. Yes, well, thank you. Well done, Jinxie. Yes, excellent job. Yes, that's right, Lois. So try your best in your test, guys, okay? See you guys all next year, guys. Bye-bye.